Compatible with most devices with a micro-USB port. Sleek cable with metallic finish. Designed to withstand heavy use. Outfitted with a durable aluminum shell that helps protect it when it's stored in your backpack or bag. The MIXIT Metallic Micro-USB to USB cable lets you easily connect your Android device to a charger or computer. Use it to charge and sync any device that has a micro-USB port, including Android phones and tablets. The cable is ready for use straight out of the box. Simply plug it in to charge, sync media to your device, or upload data to a laptop. With its matte metallic finish and braided cable jacket, this cable sports a sleek and modern look. It is available in metallic black, pearl white, gold, silver, and gray, so you'll be able to choose a cable that matches your personal style. Designed to withstand heavy use, the MIXIT Up pointing arrow micro USB to USB cable can keep up with your active, on-the-go lifestyle. The cable is outfitted with a durable aluminum shell that helps protect it when it's stored in your backpack or bag. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality. Nice and durable. Good quality. I like them better than my old Samsung cords I had. I bought two. One for my work computer and the other for my charger at home. I carry one of them in my purse and use it at work every day, and it is holding up quite nicely. I wasn't sure at first because I had never tried this brand before, but I am glad I did. I even placed another order after I had these for a couple of weeks. Very satisfied with this product.